Hey, what are you doing in my car? Oh, it's just you. Yeah, just you. It's just you. It's really not that of an amusing conversation, is it?
No.
It's not really going to begin the project, but we're gonna work on it. And what we got to do is cut those pieces, get them tacked in, and then figure out our mounting system and the tow hitch apparatus. And once we get all that figured out, it's time to start welding. I like to weld. Oh, and then I got a few thousand new subscribers. So I'm just going to introduce, there's the wife right there.
Hey!
Hey! Hey girls!
Hey girl! Hey guys!
And this truck here was my dad's. He got it when I was just a little guy. Gave it to me. I'm going to give it to my boy. So it's kind of like a 3-generation truck. And it means a little something to me. So I'm going to keep after it and try to get this thing done so the boy can at least drive it when he gets old enough. And don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can buy a cool hat like that.
And we got some new surprise items coming.
Don't surprise them. Don't surprise them. They're cups. They say things like eat, sleep, hack, repeat. And this is what people look like that wear hats like that. Look good, don't they? Mm-hmm. Hey, Harley. What are you doing, bud? You're making that one jealous, that's why. Alright, Mrs. Heavy Chevy came out and said, why do you have this one cut out here and all the other ones you just got it butted together? Now, my first reaction was, why is she picking apart what I'm doing? But then I realized she was right. I screwed up. But that's okay. I welded it back up and you won't be able to tell unless I tell you.
What you just did.
Oh, that's right, I did. Oh, well, what are you going to do? And I think I got enough gap, for Pete's sake. I might need to check my measurements a little closer. We look a little better right there. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get something to eat. I got to feed the beast. Him too. Well, I've got everything tacked together. All the crazy stuff going on. You know what? I think I'm just going to weld a while. That's what I need to do. Just weld a while. So that's what I'm going to do. All right. It's like 74 degrees in here. Did I get that? Yeah, 74 degrees, 75. He's vacuuming out my car. Isn't that nice of him? Promised he'd do it 2 weeks ago, though. But anyways, if you don't think warping moves stuff, look at this right here. That was perfectly aligned. Now it's got a 1/16 or so gap. It might come back a little bit when I weld under here, but it does move it. I gotta take a break from welding. I'm all hot and sweaty, unlike that dog who's just been laying there. Right, Harley? You ain't been hitting a lick, have you? Nope. Spill proof. Let me show you what I done did. I've got the back brackets in. I've made them a little large because I plan on having a piece go down on something like so and across the back so I can have a Reese style hitch down there. Now I'm going to fashion a bracket to go from there up to here for the fifth wheel area. And then I'll proceed to the front. Right, babe?
Right, babe.
Right, bud?
Right.
A ratcheting end wrench is fascinating, isn't it? Yeah. A little stubby though. Alright, now I fabbed up the front. Well, the middle bracket. I'm going to weld that in place, or at least tack it. Then I need to come up with something for the front. I had considered using a spring thing in the front, but I don't know. I've looked at several trucks and they're not done that way. So it might be okay if I don't. That's what I'm thinking. But I'm starting to feel a little hunger pains, and so is that one. But guess what? We're going to have to wait a little longer because I got stuff to do. Besides, ain't neither one of us gonna starve. Alright, it's done got kind of late. Time for me to quit, I guess. I've been working on my fifth wheel mount. That's what I came up with. That's like a piece of 10-inch channel iron, maybe 12, and a 1/2-inch plate. That plate's gonna go on the bottom though and weld in. And that's a 2 5/16 ball, which should put it, when all is done, the ball just under the board or whatever I put on the bed here. So I can have a little hinge, a little door, open that up so it won't be in the way regular time, you know. And I think that'll hold up. That's what I think. Anyway, if you think it won't, say so. You're going to anyway, right? I'm gonna ring the bell. We got a little tradition. We always ring the bell when the video's over. If I think of it, that is. Everybody else done went in the house. So don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can buy a cool hat or a t-shirt or a mug or maybe even some metal art if Mrs. Heavy Chevy does it here. She's kind of got some pieces laid out. Anyway, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's try that again. Go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can buy some cool stuff that none of us are wearing right now, but I can show you this cool hat. See here? Support your local hack. And you know, this hobby ain't cheap, but we're doing it. Thanks for watching.